Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Today we are going to teach you how to download Starry AI app on your mobile phone. Now let's get started with our video. In order to download the video, first of all you need to open the App Store. After opening the App Store, you will see interface with many applications and games. And on the bottom side of the page you will see 5 major options, which is Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. And you need to click on the search menu, and on the top side of the page you will see a search bar. There you need to type Starry AI. Then the App Store will direct you to the Starry AI app. Then on the right side of the page you can see a small get button. You need to click on that get button, and if you are an iPhone user you can see a double click button to install. Then your app will be successfully downloaded. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.